Hey guys, welcome to today's video. A little bit of what's in the box. Got a couple of small things here and then got this big old box. Alright, here we go. So, we will start with the two little boxes here. Alright, the first box, I've already opened it, and what this is, and I'll get some better footage of this, but alright, radvinylindustries. It's, radvinylindustries. It's a guy we've been kind of working with. We finally decided we're going to make an order from him. He bought some shirts and stuff from us. We sent him a little care package, and we bought some stickers from this guy. And check him out, man. This guy's got some pretty cool stuff. He does wraps, graphics, all kinds of different stuff. This guy does excellent work. Even got his own tape. So when he boxes his stuff up, that's what you get. Definitely check him out. He's on Facebook. He's got his own YouTube channel. I'll try to find that, his actual channel, and I'll add that into the link in the description here. I dropped my phone. All right, and I'll try to add that to the description. And yeah, man, this dude, all the stuff looks great. He sent us some window banners. We sent him some of our merch. This is business working with other businesses. So we bought stuff from him, he bought stuff from us. We're doing business together. I needed some vinyl stuff, so we ordered us a bunch of the Instagram, all these Instagram. It's the Instagram with Chesserenterprises, so that's what all these stickers are. And he sent us some window decals of his brand. It's excellent stuff. He gave us a couple of small stickers to put on a few things, and like I said, at the end of this, we'll get some footage of all these things. But thank you, Brad. His name's Brad, but he goes radvinylindustries. So check those guys out. Yeah, man, everything's perfect. Everything looks great. I've already put one on the side of my boxes here. This has got some wiring harnesses and different things in this, so I keep all that stuff, from getting stepped on or broken or lost or mixed up or whatever. So I separate the wiring harnesses for a couple of these jobs in these totes. So I slapped a sticker on it. We'll look at all this stuff here in the video. But yeah, man, this guy, check him out. Definitely check him out. He's got several different things he does. I've seen him just here lately. He was doing an actual cop car. He was putting all the vinyl wrap on a cop car. I've seen several things that he's doing. Great work. Check him out, man. All right, so yeah, thanks, Brad. Appreciate it. All right, so next, this is just something super small that I needed. So on the silver IS300, the automatic one, the fan switch wasn't working. So this is the $7, maybe tax and everything was like $8, $9, something like that. The Toyota Universal plug that I went ahead and got just to have a new plug-in. I hope it's the right thing, so we'll find out. So I got that. So instead of leaving the fan switch off or whatever on the bottom of the radiator, that plug is kind of messed up. So I'm just going to cut it back, wire this in, that way I can plug in the fan switch. That way we don't have any more heating issues with that thing. And just going that extra mile to make sure it's halfway decent and get that car straightened out. So that's the one little deal that we ended up with. So it's just something small, not anything big as far as some kind of spectacular item, but it was a must-have. Not really want to say it's a must-have, but it's something that wouldn't hurt to get a new one and splice it in versus trying to fight the old one. So I just went ahead and got a replacement one. $7 eBay. We'll give it a shot and see what it does. We'll see if it works right. I hope it's the right one, like I said, but maybe. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is a little bit bigger item. I'll just open the box and lift everything up to the table, or to my makeshift table. I'll show you the brand though. Spider, www.spiderauto.com. And what this is, we'll break them on out here. First, just right off the bat, it's definitely packaged really nice. Comes with a little book, sealed stuff here. And what we got is the LED taillights for the IS300. So, got a pair of them. They actually have a centerpiece that goes in your trunk. I decided not to go with that. I'm not really worried about it. I just needed some taillights in this IS300. So I did decide to just opt for the taillights, not the whole, trunk lights too. But if I like them enough, I may just go ahead and order those, which I probably got a better deal if I'd ordered the whole kit. But we'll get these. They do have the top harnesses for the LEDs. They are actually in them. The top, we'll unpack one. See what we got here. Again, they're plastic taillights. These are plastic. The lenses look great. They look good and solid. It's clear. They do have the LED wiring that goes to the side, and so it gives you a plug that has the end on it that's like your taillight bulb. So you take your factory taillight bulb and you slide this plug in to get your LEDs into this, and you take your factory bulbs and put them into here. So this replaces your stock bulb. You actually will take it out, and your two bottom ones will still go in as normal the way it looks. You can see that. So they look good. These were the cheapest ones on eBay that I could find. So this is another eBay item. Everything looks okay, but like anything we do, it really depends on the fitment. Once we actually put them in the car, make sure everything works and fits correctly, then we'll go from there. But that's the Spider. I got them on eBay, but spiderauto.com comes with a little book, gives you directions. It actually has directions in this book. It gives you a bunch of other things you can buy from this brand. So, looks straightforward, tells you the tools you need, gives you, some diagrams on how to wire these things up and all that. So, the brochure actually looks really nice. I mean, I think it actually has warranty stuff. It's got their social media links and all that. I think it's even got some warranty stuff here. It's a mail-in thing. Let's see. You register your product. So yeah, that's probably for warranty purposes. I'm not sure what the warranty is on this. I hadn't really seen. I'll check into that and see what kind of warranties we got on this jewel. But another eBay item. Looks good to me. I've used lots of eBay stuff. We'll see how it fits and we'll go from there. But, all right. Hey, thanks for watching today's video. We appreciate it. It's short and sweet as far as, the items we have here. We had a few other things, but I hadn't went and picked them up yet, so I just want to go ahead and go with this video because I need to get these put in. And I've had the stickers for a little bit, so Brad's probably wondering how come I hadn't actually gave him a shout out there, but now that I got everything together and got a few things, in stock here, give him a little shout out. But Thanks Brad for the decals and stickers and everything. Everything looks great. Pretty stoked about getting all of our decals stuck on everything around here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you hadn't liked or subscribed just yet, if you will, smash that subscribe button, like the videos, comment on the videos. I'll probably will do a feedback or review on these as far as fitment and as far as what I think quality wise once we get them turned on and everything. So be on the look for that. The wiring is probably just a simple install. Cut the old wire off, plug a couple of wires. We'll plug that in, see if it fits. We might get lucky and see if that's the right plug. And yeah, hey guys, thanks for everything. We'll see you on the next one. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high.